2.12 7th question. Prove that log 2 plus 16 log 16 by 15 plus 12 log 25 by 24 plus 7 log 81 by 80 is equal to 1. Now let me start from the LHS. Log 2 plus 16 log 16. Log 16 I can write it as 2 to the power 4, because you know 2 when we multiply 4 times we get 16. 15 I can write it as 3 into 5. Now next term plus 12 log 25 I can write it as 5 square. 24 we know 24 is 3 into 8. 24 is 3 into 8. So this 24 can be written as 3 into 2 cube. So let me write it as prime factors. So 24 can be written as 3 into 2 to the power 3. The next term is plus 7 log 81. 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4, because 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. 80 can be written as 16 5s are. 16 5s are means I can write it as 2 to the power 4 into 5. So this 80 can be written as 16 into 5, that is 2 to the power 4 into 5. Now the next step, let me write this power rule the reverse order. Let me write it as 2 to the power 4 16, 3 to the power 16 and 5 to the power 16. So I will have log 2 plus log 2 to the power 4 into the power 16 by 3 to the power 16 into 5 to the power 16 plus similarly this 12, let me write it in the form of powers. So I will have log 5 square to the power 12 by 3 to the power 12 into 2 cube to the power 12. Now next is 7, also let me write it in the form of powers. So I will have plus log 3 to the power 4 to the power 7, 2 to the power 4 to the power 7, 5 to the power 7. Now the product rule, this is plus means we can write it as product. Product rule says log xy is equal to log x plus log y. So log x plus y can be written as log xy. So if there is product, we can split and write it as plus, or if you have plus we can combine and write it in the form of product. So this all I am going to combine and write it in the form of product. Okay. Now the next step what we will have is log 2 into 2 to the power 4 into 6, 2 to the power 24 by 3 to the power 16 into 5 to the power 16 into 5 to the power 24 into 3 to the power 12 into 2 to the power 36, 12 3s are 36 into 3 to the power 28 into 2 to the power 28, 5 to the power 7. So I have written all the terms. Now let me see whether I can cancel anything. 3 to the power 16 and 3 to the power 12, if I add I will get 3 to the power 28. Here 2 to the power 36 and 2 to the power, here I have written 16 fours are 24, actually 16 fours are 64. So 2 into 2 to the power 64 into 5 to the power 24 into 3 to the power 28. Here I can add 5 to the power 16 and 5 to the power 7. So 5 to the power 16 and 5 to the power 7 if I add, I will have 5 to the power 23. Similarly, this 2 to the power 36 and 2 to the power 28 if I add, I will have 2 to the power 64. Now you see what and all we can cancel. I can cancel 2 to the power 64, 2 to the power 64. I can cancel 3 to the power 28, 3 to the power 28. 5 to the power 24 by 5 to the power 23 if I cancel, I'll have here 1 5, because 24 23 one difference is there, so 1 5 will be remaining. So this is nothing but log 10. They have not given the base, means it is understood the base is 10. When it is base 10, they will not write it. It is understood it is base 10. So you are having now log 10 to the base 10. Then it is 1. From the property, we are having log a to the base a is equal to 1. So when both the numbers are same, we will have 1. So here log 10 to the base 10 is 1.